All right, Rachel made 72 hats. Rachel made 9 times as many hats as Dale. Let H be the number of hats that Dale made. Okay. So Rachel made 72 hats, which is 9 times as many hats as Dale. Therefore, it's 9 times D. I'm using parentheses to signify multiplication. You could also put an X in here if you want. That's what they're doing here. Just trying to get people out of the habit of using X for multiplication. So it's 72 equals 9 times D. Or if they're using H to represent the number of hats Dale made. So let's get rid of this. Let's replace it with an H. And now now they want us to represent it down here. Well, I did it backwards. The way that they wanted is the multiplication problem on the left, but it's the same thing. So we have 9 times H, and they're telling you everything to use equals 72. So they're kind of helping you set this problem up. And then if we want to find H, what did I say before? We're trying to isolate a variable, trying to isolate H. We need to get all these numbers out of here. So right now we got a 9 on the same side. We need to get rid of it. How do we do that? Well, we see what's the 9 doing to the H? Multiplying. The opposite of that is dividing. So we divide both sides by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So now we're left with H alone here. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Therefore, H equals 8. Raina wrapped 15 gifts. Raina wrapped 5 times as many gifts as John. And N is the number of gifts that John wrapped. So let's think about it like this. What's going to happen with these values? Again, 15 is this total here. That's what Raina wrapped. And that's 5 times as many as John. So we kind of use the language representing 5 times the amount that John wrapped, 5 times N. And now we got our equation. 15 equals 5 times N. And again, if we want to solve for N, I'm going to write it like this. 15 equals 5 times N. We need to isolate the N, meaning we need to get this 5 out of here. The 5 is multiplying. The opposite of that, or the inverse operation, is dividing both sides by 5. So we do 5 divided by 5 here. That's 1. And we get N equals 15 divided by 5, or N equals 3.